Welcome to our gardening series for beginners. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of gardening. Choosing the right location for your garden. When it comes to choosing the right location for your garden, there are several factors to consider. The first and most important factor is sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day to thrive. Another important factor to consider is the soil. The quality of your soil can greatly affect the success of your garden. It's important to test the pH level and nutrient content of your soil to ensure that it's suitable for the plants you want to grow. You should also consider the accessibility of the location. You'll want to choose a spot that is easily accessible for watering, fertilizing, and harvesting your plants. A location near a water source is also ideal. Lastly, think about the size of your garden. You don't want to choose a spot that's too small or too big for the number of plants you want to grow. By considering all of these factors, you'll be able to choose the right location for your garden and set yourself up for success. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!